Hello there. Do you know what's just around the corner? That's right, the Kentucky State Fair.
Before you know it, it'll be here in the blink of an eye. Join us at the Kentucky Exposition Center in Louisville from August 17th through the 27th.
Grab your early bird tickets, priced at just $9 per person plus tax. An early bird general admission ticket covers parking and entrance into the Kentucky State Fair and several of its attractions.
A ticket is required for each individual over the age of 5. Come on out and support Kentucky agriculture and tourism. We've got plenty of sites. You'll find concert entertainment, animals, competitions, plenty of tasty food, and exhibits galore.
Hours vary by day, so be sure to check out our website, kystatefair.org. If you need directions or hotel recommendations, we've got you covered there too. See you soon.